What's good, YouTube? Your boy Rob back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up the Glass Star Easy Fit screen protector from Spigen on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. This is probably one of my favorite screen protectors I like to use. It's pretty quick and easy, and it does adds a lot of protection. So let me go ahead and let's get this set up. So if you like, you can cut off your phone. I pretty much do an installation for this type of screen protector almost every phone I get. You might be saying, well, why do you do that? Well, because if you have an iPhone, you're not going to look at my Samsung installation of this, and if you have a Samsung, you're not going to look at my iPhone installation of this. So that's why I pretty much do installation for each phone with this particular screen protector. So you get two screen protectors, get some coupons, and a kit to clean your screen protector with, and like a squeegee for the screen protector to press out all the bubbles. Wipe down for fingerprints. And regardless of not whether you think you need to do this, you should do this. Go over your phone. You will be surprised. Make sure you got the top where it says top. You have everything facing where it's supposed to face. Rub and press on this particular part of the screen protector for at least, a good 10 or 15 seconds. I think the instructions want you to do it for 30. Then take the final little plastic off, and the screen protector is on there. No bubbles, no need to use this. Everything is on point and perfectly fits on the iPhone. So that pretty much does it for the Spigen Easy Fit screen protector. If you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe, and other than that, I'll catch everybody in the next video. I'm out.